If you've ever wondered which design tool is better, Canva or Photoshop, then stay tuned because today I'm breaking down these two giants to help you choose the right one for your needs. Whether you're a beginner, a content creator, or a professional graphic designer, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool fits you best. Canva and Photoshop are both incredibly popular, but they serve very different audiences. Let's start with Canva. Canva is a web-based graphic design platform built for simplicity. It's beginner-friendly and doesn't require any design background. You can use it right from your browser or mobile app without needing a powerful computer. Just drag, drop, edit, and you're done. It's perfect for designing YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, business cards, posters, and even presentations. Pros of Canva: easy to use with zero learning curve. Huge library of ready-made templates, comes with stock photos, icons, and fonts built in, great for fast designs and productivity. Supports real-time team collaboration and link sharing. Cons of Canva: limited advanced editing options. Designs can feel template-like if you don't customize less precise control for professional projects. Now, let's talk about Photoshop. This is Adobe's flagship software and the industry standard for professional design. Photoshop is incredibly powerful, but it also comes with a steep learning curve. It's installed on your computer and allows detailed pixel-level editing. If you want total creative control or work with complex images, this is where Photoshop shines. Pros of Photoshop: advanced editing and manipulation tools. Layer-based design gives full creative flexibility, ideal for professionals, photographers, and digital artists. Supports high-quality, detailed projects, massive plugin support, and customization. Cons of Photoshop: not beginner-friendly, requires powerful computer, no built-in team collaboration, paid monthly subscription only. Now, here's a key difference: workflow and speed. Canva lets you create designs in minutes using pre-made templates. It's perfect for content creators, marketing teams, or small businesses that want quick results. Photoshop, on the other hand, is much slower if you're building from scratch, but it gives unmatched precision and creative freedom. Collaboration is another big difference. Canva lets you share a link and edit with others in real time, like Google Docs for design. Photoshop doesn't offer real-time editing, so teamwork usually means sharing files back and forth. Finally, let's talk pricing. Canva offers a free version with thousands of templates. Canva Pro is affordable and great value for creators. Photoshop, however, has no free version. You need a monthly Adobe subscription and the price is higher. But with that, you get professional level tools and access to Adobe Creative Cloud apps. So, which one is better? The answer depends on who you are. If you're a beginner, student, small business owner, or content creator, Canva is perfect, fast, affordable, and easy. But if you're a professional designer, photographer, or someone who needs advanced creative control, Photoshop wins. Final verdict: Canva is best for speed and simplicity, while Photoshop is best for power and precision. So instead of asking which is better, ask yourself, what do I need it for? Because the best tool is the one that helps you get your job done fast and effectively. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, hit like, drop a comment on which tool you prefer, and subscribe for more honest reviews and tutorials. See you in the next video.